Welcome, Han. Thank you for joining me today. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself and what your role is at Zenlayer?
Sure. My name is Han Lei. I am the VP of Client Success at Zenlayer. Been here about 2.5 years or so. And Zenlayer is a company that is dedicated to bringing connectivity, internet connectivity, to the broader world.
That's so great. Connectivity to me is one of my favorite words, believe it or not. Using it for decades. And I love that connectivity. So let's now transition into manufacturing. And let's talk about what is Zenlayer's value and role with the manufacturing community?
Sure. So when we think manufacturing, we think emerging markets. For better or for worse, the reality is costs are lower for manufacturers in the emerging markets. The downside is that the infrastructure in the emerging markets sometimes isn't that great, right? So Zenlayer provides that connectivity for manufacturers based in the United States, based in Europe, to be able to reach their plants in other parts of the world.
Gotcha. So that having key insights to how operations is running in that manufacturing facility and using Zenlayer's kind of the edge and their network, right? So what are some of the examples that happen at the edge that would make that like really come to life for me?
One thing is, new manufacturing equipment is very advanced. The output of this stuff is great, but there are things like security patches, monitoring patches, metrics, things like that that need to be transferred from those machines at the edge back to headquarters to be processed centrally to improve output, right? Another example might be things that like intelligent security, where nowadays a lot of these plants have HD cameras set up for security purposes. Those cameras take really high quality videos, but those videos are massive. So if you are uploading them directly to your centralized network, you're really burdening that network, right? You're like, it's huge. So what we do is allow them to upload to their edge locations, do the analyses there, transfer like the stuff that matters, not all the video stuff, but the content that matters back to headquarters and then back again out there. So,
and I think the beauty too is that with the edge computing that you guys have, it's the third generation Intel Xeon. And so I can do the level of inference, the level of kind of whether it's compression or what have you, do that analysis, and we'll just get the key insights back to HQ. That's right. That is so wonderful. What are the additional challenges in the manufacturing domain?
The emerging markets themselves can be a challenge.
So location.
Right, yes.
What about specifically about the locations?
Like I mentioned before, it's not just the connectivity that's not there, but it's also the laws, the feet on the ground, for manufacturing companies that are not based in those areas of the world. It can be a daunting task to try to go there. Right? Zenlayer provides the knowledge and the expertise in those markets so that our customers don't have to worry about, are they licensed to do something? Is this compliant, what they're trying to do? And just focus on their business so that we can handle all of that back-end stuff.
So let the businesses focus on what they do best, manufacturing, and then Zenlayer brings we're going to help you make it happen.
Yes. And then when we think of the emerging markets, we think about Zenlayer's mission statement, which is to power a better connected world.